Hello! Today we'll see how to make homemade yogurt, pink perfumes, raspberry and rose. For this recipe you need rose syrup, whole milk, a plain yogurt and raspberry jam. First, put the yogurt in a dish. Then, put a little milk and mix. Put the rest of the milk and mix. For this recipe I used 1 liter for 12 yogurts. Put the rose syrup and taste it. Put raspberry jam in the pots. Carefully, not to mix milk and jam, put the blend in your yogurt maker for 12 hours. Put your yogurt in the fridge for a few hours and then enjoy!
If you like this easy recipe with this my lovely French accent, you can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, and of course, YouTube. See ya!
And as we say in France,
Bon appétit!